Alright, well, my air compressor quit again. So, I bought two of these a couple years ago. Probably 2019? Well, I don't know, probably 2021 actually. These are made by a company called Condor. They're made in China. And what happens with this one is it just started to have problems and it started to not completely work. And it doesn't turn anymore. They figured out what happened. You see that? That's the end of the stick thing there. It got hot and it melted. And it's deformed. I don't know if there's a warranty on these or not. I bought it at Cal Ranch. I'm wondering if there's a warranty. I have had nothing but bad luck with these things off of Amazon. So that's why I bought this one from Cal Ranch for $20-something. They still sell them. But I can't imagine buying another one and having it do the exact same thing. So this is an old Harbor Freight. An old one. And it has trouble starting sometimes in the winter. And I think that's what did it in. Otherwise it doesn't leak out of anywhere else. I have a valve here to shut it off. I guess it does leak without the valve. I don't know. But I need a compressor. And I don't think this thing's ever going to come back on with this damn thing. So, I don't know. I need another switch, or I need a whole new compressor. And I just can't afford a new one right now. This is really old. If you remember the older Harbor Freight stuff, you know how old this is. And it's worked good for me. So anyway, I might just temporarily wire it up directly so I can use it. I've got a little compressor here. Never had a problem with it. The rest of it's falling apart. No problems with the pressure switch. Nothing. Why is it that these ones just don't last? And this is the same one they use on the Porter cable in certain DeWalt's. You'll see the same thing rebadged at Tractor Supply for like $40, $80. And they're going to fail just like that. Now the only thing I could think of might be wrong with this, the run capacitor might be getting bad and it caused too much stress on it. But these parts should be made to a higher quality standard than that. That's just ridiculous.